The Canon error code 5.4.0 indicates that the cartridge is overheating, often resulting from heavy usage, fast printing, poor airflow around the printer, or depleted ink cartridges. To resolve this issue, it's essential to avoid continuous printer usage and give the device a break between heavy printing sessions, allowing it to cool down before the next cycle. Printing at reasonable speeds, rather than high speeds for extended periods, can also help. This can be adjusted via the printer's control panel, ensuring sufficient airflow around the printer and placing it in a cool environment are also crucial for facilitating easy heat dissipation. Additionally, checking that the cartridges are not empty is vital. If they are, replacing them with new ones can be done by turning on the printer, removing the paper tray, opening the cover, taking out the spent cartridge, inserting a new one, closing the cover, and returning the paper tray. After replacement, running a test print can help verify that the issue has been resolved.